In this video we are going to add a multi-sensor. This is a classic Z-Wave device. We do this by clicking the green plus and then on Start. The Thinka is now scanning for new devices. We are going to add the multi-sensor, which LED color shows that it's ready for inclusion. We add the multi-sensor by pressing the button on the back twice. Once the LED stops flashing, the adding is complete. We see the Thinka has found the multi-sensor and is retrieving the data from the device. The multi-sensor has now been added to the Thinka. We still need to name it and add it to a location. I call the device multi-sensor and add it to the living room that I'm creating now. The multi-sensor installation is complete and is located in the living room.